Right. Okay, good. Uh, Lonita, ඔයා කොහොමද ඉස්කෝලේට travel කරන්නේ?
How do you travel to school?
Good. Right. Johara, කොහොමද ලංකාව income හොයාගන්නේ?
How Sri Lanka find income?
There's a mistake.
How Sri
Yes?
How does Sri Lanka find income?
How does Sri Lanka find income? Right. Senaya, ඇයි ශ්‍රී ලංකාව අලුත් innovations සොයා ගැනීම කරන්නේ නැත්තේ? Innovations.
Please repeat the sentences, teacher.
Yeah. ඇයි ශ්‍රී ලංකාව අලුත් සොයා ගැනීම කරන්නේ නැත්තේ?
Why Sri Lanka
කරන්නේ
doesn't
No. Doesn't should come before. Right? Why doesn't Sri Lanka find new innovations? So it's negative question, negative question. So doesn't should come before doer. Right? Okay. What තේරෙන්නේ නැත්ද geography? Lonita.
Can't you understand geography?
Yes, right. Johara, ඔයා දන්නේ නැද්ද ලෝනිතගේ address එක? ඔයා දන්නේ නැද්ද ලෝනිතගේ address එක?
Can't you know the Lonita's address?
You can't say can't you know. That's Lonita said can't you remember, because with remember you can't use can't. Can and can't. But
Teacher, I see her කියන්නකෝ.
ඔයා ලෝනිතගේ address එක දන්නේ නැද්ද?
Do you know Lonita's address?
ඔයා ලෝනිතගේ address එක දන්නවද? සනාය දන්නේ නැද්ද?
Don't you know the Lonita's address?
Yes, don't you know Lonita's address? Right, okay. Today we are going to do present continuous. Now we finish everything about present tense. Present tense mean something. Lonita, when do we use present tense, Lonita? Like what we have been talking about?
Before verb?
No, when do we use simple present?
Teacher, anything
Before action?
When do we? Like when we want to talk about something happens usually. Something usually happens.
Teacher, simple present tense use කරන්න කියලා අහන්නේ.
Yes, මොන වෙලාවටද?
To talk about habitual action and general truth.
Yes, to talk about something we do have as a habit, or something happens, something usually happens, right? Or like Water boils at 100 Celsius. That's something usual. The sun rises on east. That's something usual, very usual, right? Those things, something we go to school, we learn, we celebrate Vesak in May. Those are very usual things. So to talk about those usual things, we use present tense. And also, we can use this present tense. Especially, have you learned if you are interested in cricket matches? Lonita, do they say the ball is going up or the ball goes up? In cricket
The
commentaries,
ball goes.
the ball goes up. Especially like cricket commentaries, they use present tense to give the idea very clearly, right? Other than ball is going up is too long. So cricket commentaries, they use simple present, even though that thing is happening, the incident, the action is happening just now, they use present tense. The ball goes up because you can express something very clearly and shortly, right? In a limited number of words, right? Okay. And also, if something happens in sequence, like, okay, let's say now Senaya says, I came back from school, I had a shower, I sit in the class, then teacher asks questions. So that incident happens one after the other. Like, I come from school. Instead of saying I came from school, you can say, because an incident happened 1, 2, 3, 4 in sequence. I come from school. I have a shower. I have lunch. I have lunch. And teacher asks questions. I join class. So that you can express it in simple present tense rather than using past tense, right? That's no rule. Right. Or else, let's say now, another one, schedules. Did I send my all tenses tutorial? Let me check in WhatsApp. Mm, right, no, right? Okay, I will send my all tenses tutorial, right? So then you can see the usages of simple present tense. Likewise, I will show you the tutorial. Here I have mentioned different uses of simple present to talk about things happen regularly. General truth, like sun rises on east. In commentaries, in cricket commentaries. Plus instructions. Instructions, you say, you break the eggs, put into a ball, like that, right? stories and jokes to describe events that happen one after the other. Like a hat seller goes selling hats. He feels tired. He finds a big tree. He takes a rest. Monkeys in the tree see him. Right. So that's a happen events one after the other. So you can say that in present tense, no problem. Other one is to talk about timetables, routines, and schedules. So when you talk about timetables, routine, and schedule, you can use present tense. Like there's a next school term test will start. Also, you can say, or else you can say starts. Right? Okay. Next one. Today we are going to talk about tenses till past tense, right? And then we are going to do all the structures, patterns, like, right? There are lots of English sentence patterns. We will do it until once we finish past tense. We will do all that. I will show my syllabus. This is syllabus part 2, right? So we have lesson, we are still in lesson 2. So then we had to go to lesson 3, lesson 4, and there are subtopics. Lesson 5, lesson 6, lesson 7, lesson 8, lesson 9, lesson 10, lesson 11, 12, 13. This is another part. 1, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then comes to sentence pattern. Sentence pattern, we have 13 lessons, 13 sentence patterns. It will take some time to cover the syllabus, right? By your grade 8, everything is finished. Right. Right. That's all about English. Right. That's part 1, syllabus 1. There's another syllabus without verbs. Right. Okay. So today we are going to start present continuous. You know present continuous, right? Yes. What's present continuous? Tell me a sentence from present continuous. I think you have been learning present continuous since your very childhood. Can you tell me a sentence?
The hat is on the table.
That's not present continuous. Present continuous is we are learning now. We are eating now. I'm eating now. Like that.
You are shouting now.
Am I shouting? Am I shouting?
No.
You
No.
just taught, right? Right. So I'm shouting now. You are learning now. You are listening now. Likewise. Okay, tell me one sentence, Lonita. Lonita already told, but okay, second sentence.
You are eating rice.
Okay, now, right. Okay. Sanaya,
You are having breakfast.
Yes, you are having breakfast. Johara,
You are drinking now.
you're drinking now. Okay, right. So, when do we use this pattern? That's a pattern, right? There are now, if I show you this, these are all patterns. Right. Right. So this is a pattern, right? Now these are sentence structures, right? This is one pattern. Now we learned doer, verb, object, right? And negative. So then today we have come to a new pattern, right? There are sentence patterns in English. Now we say I eat. We can say I am eating. We can say I ate. You can say I was eating. You can say I have eaten. You can say I had eaten, right? If I write, these are the patterns. We can say I eat. We can say I am eating. We can say I ate. We can say I was eating. You can say I have eaten, right? All with eat. I had eaten. Or something like that. There are some more, right? I will eat. I will be eating. Another one, you can say, I have been eating. Another one, you can say, I must eat. Also, you can say, I can eat. You can say, I must be eating. Also, you can say, I can be eating. You can say, I should eat. Then you can say, I should be eating. Then you can say, I must have eaten. Then you can say, I should have eaten. Then you can say, I may eat. Then you can say, I may be eating. Then you can say, I may have eaten. So many patterns here. You can say same thing, not same thing, right? In same structure, but different patterns, right? Same verb. So, likewise, now we discuss this one. We use this to tell something happens usually. Something usually happens. Today we are going to do this pattern. I am eating, he's eating, she's eating, we are eating. So, these all structures we use in different situations, right? There are situations. Now, if we say mama kanawa, that means mama usually kanek. Mama then kakaina, that means now. Mama kava mean past tense. Mama kala mean, mama kai mean another one. So, we use these patterns in different situations. So today we are going to learn this pattern structure, and when we use this structure, it's called, the name of the structure is simple present continuous tense, right? So present continuous When do we use present continuous structure? Okay. Mainly, we use it to talk about something happening just now. Right? Something happening just now. Or something happening only these days, a change. Right? Something happening now, I am eating, I am having a shower, I am teaching, shouting, everything, right? But something happening only these days, a change. Okay, let's say now Lonita is sick, right? So Lonita has a poor appetite these days. So she usually, give me 1 second. Right. Sorry. So, what's this? Only these days. Okay. I told you Lonita has a poor appetite these days. So, Lonita usually eats rice and curry, right? But since he's sick, he's eating something fast food, noodles or pizza or burger, like something different these days. Let's say he's eating noodles these days. So it's a change. It's now